Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today, teach you arc reading. First, the pattern must have a circle center and arc line. Then, we select the arc grading tool. Left-click on the arc line. It will appear the circle center and the arc grading dialog box. Here, we can achieve the arc grading by adjusting the value of radius, angle, and arc length. Like this. Of course, we can choose to input the value of this portion. Click Apply. Like this. OK, finish. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.